Hello everyone, I just wanted to let you know about our take and make this week at the library. We're doing June's Art Start, and it is called the Dandelion Art Start. So kids, what you're going to find in your bag is just a piece of card like this. It's got almost a whole circle drawn on it, and then a bunch of little holes poked in the top. When you get your bag home, you're going to take this out of your bag, leave it inside. Then you're going to take your paper bag outside and you're going to fill it up with dandelions, lots and lots of dandelions. You can get them all different sizes. Fill your bag up. Once you've got those, you fill it, bring it inside. And then we're going to need this part again. So with this is going to be the bowl that your dandelions go in. So you can design this however you'd like. Use markers, stickers, whatever you have at home. And fill in this top piece however you want to do that. And then once this is all decorated the way you like it, you can take your dandelions. Got one over here. This one I trimmed a little bit so it's not quite so long. Then you can poke those through the holes to fill in your picture with beautiful flowers. Some of these holes might not be poked big enough for you to fit your dandelions through, especially if you have big dandelions. So if you just take a pencil crayon or a pencil or pen, you can poke that through and make them a little bigger so those will fit. So that's all the instructions I have for this craft. I hope you have a good time with that, and I will see you next week for our Canada Day tic-tac-toe.